Kinongelam jang kishpotli ki Autonomous District Council kathan chte lammi ni kari India hanya kasmi palai ki kundu yung menteri kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah hanong ba Delhi berkele yo pesngau yela ki jong ki jing ajingmun haror ka jingdarwa ban pin klat mai ki kindon jong ka 6th schedule ka riti sinchar kari kini kishpotli ki Autonomous District Council ki kintup ya lightly na Meghalaya lightly na Assam lightly na Mizoram bat kawai na Tripura Habayakran Magilat Pasai Khobor Hadin Kajing Kundu, Chief Executive Member Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Ba Pinyat Singh's aim, Ula Pinte Ba Amit Shah, Ula Kular Ban Shimkhia Yakijing Ajung Mojung ki ADC Katan, But Kular Ba Unsatung Naka Committee, Kaban Kli Do Mindri Kana ki Kampo Yeng, Ba Unshong Bishar Ya Baro Kijing Ajung Mon, Kiban Sapendep No Hapo ka Arpusan Tarik Unailar. Nakaliang ka KHADC kala IT ru ila ka jong ka dorkas show menteri kampo yeng kari habayare kajing ajing mod halor kajing pinkla thama ya ki kindon ka 6th schedule kini kajing ajing mod ki kinthop ya kajing dawa ban pinbon ya ki shuki MDC shaka life nyotli haga ban ryutli kinde ki baraji do pajba but arthli ki ban chusi ya ka bakawai de ben ai bha shaki kinthai nalor ka nila ajing mod ruban matno ya ka kintin unrepresented tribe but ben penlong ya ki election MDC katkum ka rule election jong ka 6th schedule Omdek Election Commission Kari India.
Leaders, along with Minister Amit Shah ji and his Minister of State Nityanand Rai ji was very well addressed. We are very happy that the Home Minister of India has assured us that in the next 1 month they will be addressing all our issues, which means the 25th of August. And he has assured us if the agreement was signed when another government was in place, any commitment given by the government of India on any accord, any agreement will be honoured, because that is not agreement by BJP or Congress, is by the government of India. We are also very happy that a positive attitude was taken by the Home Minister, and we are hopeful because the councils may be different. I've heard you ask question, what does 125th Amendment mean? It may mean something for the Khasi, Garo Hills, Jainte Hills, it may mean something else for BTR, it may mean something for Karbi Anglong, it may mean something completely different for Tripura. But all our problems will be individually heard by a committee and will be addressed so that there is a solution which is amicable. The most important thing is we don't want to go into confrontation. We want to give rights to our people, our community, and if this is how we progress, we will welcome it in a positive manner. Thank you.
Nakaliang jungi kumka ADC kakenhun joki Autonomous District Council hapo North East Brokaway bakentup nadu ya ka Tripura Territorial Council nangta ka Borderland Territorial Council Karbi Anglong nangta ka Dimahasau ka Khasi Hills, Jainte Hills, Garo Hills nangta ka Chakma, Lai Batmara baru sepuluh ki Autonomous District Council nilai kendu mentak sini ni po nongba Delhi baru kumju niladon ya ka meeting ka Bakerpang ka Bashimpor jan hado Shtengeta bad Union Home Minister Amit Shah ban ya pensno penpau ke jing dan kam ko jungi hakabide bakani ka schedule amendment te habide bakadi ka schedule amendment gila pensno bad hoi ni dan la ki jong ki jing dan ki jing dawa ki jongi Henry ya baro ikini ki jingdawa ke jungi nakaliang jong Union Home Minister la ai kata ka jubab dan ni la pensmo hangi ba hapo ka shibnai ka mo hapo arpusan tarik ni penai penwan August but an pendep yang ni kam ban bishar benya but consideran ka committee ka ba Union Home Minister of State untuk kam but nakaliang jungi ni penpau ya jingkemen but ai kublai kerpang ya Home Minister Amit Shah pla sengap pada shimkhai ni kakam habide kanika schedule amendment kermen scam ba kini baru kijing pensngau ke jungi habide benang penklan shushu yaki ADC hapot North East khamtam ni wan naka jela Meghalaya ike bangi ni semua bangi dan kam ban ya dan lang ban penlong ya jep jungi bateli ki nong nong Meghalaya bateli ling ba kanika schedule amendment kan long ka jingmentoi ban jingkepu makrau sai sien nakaliang jungi na Meghalaya ki ADC ni ai kublai kerpang ye promote CM jong bodo ai kublai kerpang ye produce ye chairman jong ka Tripasa nanta MP jungi na po Karbi tiso nanta kiwi baro ki CM wedan lang kiba la penlong ini ka ji keduk jungi ka bejop ta kasi tang kini hi kublai shibot